Good morning, and this is my day 204. So, I am still thinking about the things that I want to do in my life, and one of the things that I am currently or actively pursuing is doing a video essay. Or, to put it simply, I just want to review something that I watch because I've been watching with my brother for these past months that we have been reviewing series, or not really reviewing but just watching series of animes that we enjoy. And yeah, I think I'm gonna release a video for that, and I'm currently searching for the best mic that I can use, and one of the few choices that I have is the DJI Mic Mini 2. So it would be my best go-to mic because I would by then or after purchasing that mic, I think I'm gonna buy an action cam. So DJI has an action cam, so it would be seamless for them to be integrated. But for the sound quality, it's not really the best on its price category. There's a bit of hesitation for me since I know for a fact that there is someone that I really like the sound, and that would be the Holy Land Lark 2 or M2, and it's really have a decent mic or good mic, and I don't know how would I incorporate it in case I bought a DJI Action Cam. So it's been on my mind, and it's not really this month, so it would be on my next paycheck. So I would use it as my driving force because I'm pretty stingy, and once I bought that 4,000, or let's just say $100 microphone, I would be then forced to use it because it would be a waste if I didn't use it. So yeah. And actually, one of the things that I'm thinking is a headphone with a pretty decent mic, which is Jabra, because I've been using it on my work, and I know on the marketplace it goes around 480 pesos, so that's around $20, and I think I can buy a decent mic with headphone for that price, but I'm still thinking about the mic quality.